Are you taking thyroid medicine every morning, plus you're struggling to lose weight despite dieting and workouts? This video will explain you everything on how to lose weight on autopilot by building habits, plus how to reverse the thyroid permanently and get rid of these medicines. When you consume meals that have a lot of nutrients, this helps your body burn more calories. I'll tell you the logic. Whenever you consume nuts, dry fruits, figs, anything that has a lot of nutrients, it forces your body to utilize those nutrients and spend those nutrients. In thyroid, what happens is your body starts spending lesser number of calories, and by consuming meals like these, you start burning more calories thanks to the food you consume. The second step is you need to do 10 minutes of workout every morning before your breakfast. Now, why do you have to do it before your breakfast? Because now you don't have a reason to not work out, because once you take a shower, you go to office, you don't have time for yourself. The best part of doing a 10-minute or a 20-minute workout before your shower is it's going to elevate your metabolism to a level that you can't even imagine. Especially in thyroid, you lose metabolism. Metabolism is your biggest asset when it comes to fixing your thyroid. Third step is to walk as much as you can. When you go for a morning walk, you get sunlight on your skin, which enhances your vitamin D levels. That helps you sleep better. When you walk at night under moonlight, again, your body starts producing more melatonin, helping you sleep deep. When you walk inside your house after eating a meal, again, it helps you burn calories, tone your lower body, improve your stamina, and make you feel a lot more proud of yourself when you go to sleep at night. Let me tell you, deep sleep is something which is missing in 90% of women who have thyroid, which I've seen in my 7 years of coaching experience. So, in simple words, the more you sleep, the better your thyroid health would become. The fourth step is to focus on portion control and chewing your food slowly. So, number one thing that usually people do is they consume more of chapati and less of sabji and dal. So, what you need to do is focus on eating a bowl of salad first. It shouldn't be this big, or it can be bigger than this, whatever works for you. It can be just a cucumber as well. Next is you need to reduce from 2-3 chapatis to 1 or 2 chapati, and increase the quantity of dal and the sabji that you consume with the meal. This is how your meal should look like, and that's how colorful your meal should be to fix your thyroid. And whenever you eat something, never eat and speak at the same time. Once you chew and speak at the same time, your digestion slows down, which reduces your energy levels, which makes it extremely difficult for you to reverse your thyroid in the long term. The next step is meditation. I'll demonstrate how to do Om chanting. I'll also explain why to do, what to do, how to do. Let's go. Now all you have to do is take a nice long deep breath in, chant Om. Try to do it for at least 15 seconds. The entire Om chant should be for about 10 to 15 seconds. Bare minimum, that's all you have to do to practice meditation. It's very simple and it's extremely beginner friendly. Just like this, you can do Om chanting 3 times every 60 minutes or 120 minutes, which would ensure your mind is relaxed, calm, peaceful, focused, plus this reduces your stress levels. So lower your stress levels, better your thyroid functioning. The higher the stress levels, the worse your thyroid levels. The sixth step is to stay hydrated. So when you're working in front of a laptop or you're doing anything in your entire day, all you need is just a water bottle that you'll keep next to your laptop. Keep a glass with you ready. The next thing that you're gonna do is squeeze in some lemon, and you're gonna add a pinch of iodized salt. And when you stir this and drink, this will keep you hydrated. Why? Because lemon has vitamin C, it has potassium, salt has sodium and iodine, which would regulate your blood pressure, which would help improve your energy levels, leading to lowering down your thyroid in the long term. Now, one more good thing is lemon improves your immune system. So if you're doing your workouts regularly and you don't fall sick, that means you will be consistent with your workout. But if you fall sick frequently, you can't stay consistent with your workouts. No workouts, no weight loss. Lemon would help you stay consistent with your workout because your immune system gets better. That's how holistic our approach is when it comes to healing the thyroid. If you want to transform while working with us in the next 3 months, go to Instagram, LeanWithYash, DM us the word transform, and we'll help you lose 10 kgs while fixing thyroid, PCOD, or any other health issues you have. You can go through our page. We have a lot of transformations delivered in our 7 years of coaching experience. And if you go to our Women's Transformation Program, the first post, you can get all the details about what we do, from nutrition to workout to one-to-one coaching to quick workouts, quick recipes. Our goal is to save your time, make your life convenient, and help you lose weight effortlessly. Anything we do that makes your life stressful, we'll never do that. That's our promise.